Hello everyone! Welcome to our English class. This is Can Do 1 Level 1 at Watson Amnok School. Our topic for today is animals and their babies. Again, animals and their babies. This is Teacher Marisol, your English teacher. Alright, let's start. Vocabulary words. A dog, a puppy. Again, a dog, a puppy. A cat, a kitten. A cat, a kitten. Next is a pig, a piglet. Again, a pig, a piglet. A hen, a chick. A hen, a chick. Next is a duck, a duckling. A duck, a duckling. And now let's make sentences. The baby cat is called a kitten. Again, the baby cat is called a kitten. The baby dog is called a puppy. Again, the baby dog is called a puppy. The baby pig is called a piglet. Again, the baby pig is called a piglet. The baby chicken is called a chick. The baby chicken is called a chick. And next is the baby duck is called a duckling. Again, the baby duck is called a duckling. Alright, let's review. Hen, chick, dog, puppy, duck, duckling, cat, kitten, pig, piglet,